Welcome to the second tutorial on how to get started on the PlayVisit Studio platform. Once you have defined the basic information of our tour, which we have seen in the previous tutorial, we can start designing it. The first thing we have to do is to add the stops to our route. To do so, we will simply click on the map, the stops we want our users to make. If we want to add a very specific point, we can zoom in the map and add the exact location. We can add as many points as we want, and we can also modify them by moving them around the screen. Another way to modify our points is by editing the longitude and latitude parameters. We will see that all the points we add in the map will be listed on the right side of the screen, where we will see the stops of our tour in the order we have added them. The start and finish tabs are no stops of the route. These two parts are the start and finish screens that the user will see at the beginning and at the end of the tour. For example, at the beginning we can add a brief description of the tour, and at the end we can say goodbye to our users. Now that we know the stops that our users are going to make, we can personalize the content of these stops, but I'll show you it in the next video. See you now!